Kasi nga dapat prinipin nyo kanina doon pa sa parking. Pasensya na. Sige na, tara na kasi di ba late na tayo. Anong oras na tayo dadat?
Another hike vlog, pero this time my god, need to go na kasi I am very late. Well, I'm not sure if they're going to understand why I'm late kasi 11 pa yung out ko and we're supposed meeting time is 10 PM. Nag-early in naman ako pero problem is nagkaroon ng unexpected meeting so I had to attend that. So yeah, let's go now. Bye bye. So, I thought I was late. So, nagmadali ako and all. Tapos pagdating ko, hindi pa pala ako late. May mas late pa pala sa akin. So, I kind of lost my mood. Sana hindi siya mag-progress until later. Sa van na kami. And I'm so excited. Kailangan natin bilisan pag tayo din nakapag-beach.
Yun talaga yung concern. Ay, magmamadali tayo kasi
Lava. Di ba pinatubo yun? Sambales? Ganun ano?
nice. Noda po kami. Kinunda po kami nito. Parang.
Baba.
Wala na, nagsabot na.
Pardon na ma-violate ka.
Wag mo na mga hinex.
Ano? Mana?
Ganda no, sana di muna ako mamatay. Parang madami pang bundok. Oh my god, ang saya-saya mo makita ko. Gusto ko dito para diretso na lang pa ako. This hike is not easy. You need to check that all the way up, and halfway through we're tired kasi we're so out of shape, pero eventually after all the complaints naman makakarating kami sa peak. It's like complaining is just like a major part of the process. Kailangan pa namin akyatin hanggang doon. Ay nako.
Hanggang mamatay.
Sino kasi mag-i-invite sa ganitong...
Sino kasi may gustong sa isang buwan, nag-aakit ng isang beses sa isang buwan? Ha?
Sino kaya? Hindi ko alam kasi nakahijab ako. Walang puno kuya.
Dito sir, bumata lang. Puro tanong to. Mas madali dito. Shortcut ka sir?
Hindi namin nakita yung daan. Mas mabilis nga eh.
Patay tayo dyan.
Say thank you. Joy pa video.
Okay ka na dyan? Masaya ka na?
Joy pa video ko ma. Bali umakit ka din.
Ah, saan ba ako?
Sabay mo ako makit.
Oh, sige.
Yan po. Yan po yung palagi nang away sa akin sa ano.
Si Kuya pula, okay. Trekking pool ko pala. First line. Kasi mga tay-tay ng baka. Kasi di ka sure kung tubig.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill up the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint.
Pwede to sa
Shall
ano,
I
mamaya
compare
pwede
to
to
a
ilog
summer
ba?
day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade. Right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know.
King ko sa vlog. So this is the peak. And we're gonna go down that way. And I need to turn off my GoPro kasi it's very dangerous.
Shall I compare to winter solstice? Watch is closing off, I'm dozing like a
Here comes
ghost,
the tough
thinking
part.
that maybe I wouldn't notice. But it's colder, it's colder, it's cold around when you're not here.
Ay, sa nakahanap akong stick.
You put this icebox where my
Kaya-
heart used to be, my dear. Not too fond of the idea that you would come my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know.
This part of the hike is a little curvy kasi well, literally in the middle of a wildfire. See? This is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is going to be the highlight of my vlog. We walked through the ruins of a wildfire. Guys, this is crazy. Let me show you. Look, I think it started there and it kind of made its way down here. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not an expert. My skin hates me so much right now. This is good though. Doon kami galing sa may white na wood, I mean signage. And look, kunwari star witness ka ng ng kaso, ituro mo ko. Naku ka, sisikat na talaga tayo. Sige na po, tatanggapin na po namin yung hamon ng kasikatan. Bilisan mo dyan. Bilis, picturean ko yung hardship mo. Ikaw yung pinakaunang Pilipinang tumayo dyan sa spot na yan. Lord, sana humangin palalo. Ayan, humangin na. Lord, sana malamig na hangin. Ay, sabi niya, ay, demanding ka ha. Ito mainit. Sige, Lord. Lakasan mo pa, Lord. Lord, ipo-ipo. Paapabayan ng tao. Time, kahit sirang-sira na yung balat. Halagaan pa rin natin. Basta makapag-beach. Masaya na ako.
Nagpapaalam. Ikaw naman, baka may nakatira dito, hindi natin nakikita.
Ang hapdi na ng mukha ko rin.
Wash up na.
Mag-aano muna. Magpapanlang muna ng mga kasalanan. Pwede pala natin itong i-hike ng walang tour guide. Madali lang sundan yung trails. Bakit matawa ka ng tawa sa mga sinasabi ko? Seryoso ako Go mga kuliglig. Make some noise. Ba't ka matawa dyan?
Okay.
So nandito kami, tapos napunta kami sa crossroad. May daan dito. Doon ka dumaan, dito ka dadaan. Dadaan!
Alam!
Knows me like the back of her hand. Got me wrapped around her finger, stretched on my arm and seeing she's truly there. Man, I'm scared.
Ganda ng view.
Rain, she won't be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. Cause she's all I know. She's all I know. She's all I.
Mag-ayat tayo.
She's all I know. 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 She's all I know.
She's all I know. She's all I know. She's all I know. She's all I know. She's all I know. She's all I know. She's all I know.
Shall I compare to a summer day? You know I'm always down, it's like through the night. We can just kick it back here with you and I. You can wrap me around your finger like a band. It's nothing I don't mind. You know I'll be around whenever you like. In a hoodie or a suit and tie. I'll give you all of me for all of you if that's something that you like. Cause mine's been stuck on you. Tell me what I should do. Forever not long enough when it's just us two. Been stuck on you like it's still the honeymoon. With you by my side, I'll never lose. Just a little bit you've been tripping through my mind all day. Been thinking about those brown eyes, got me smiling, picturing your face. Cause mine's been stuck on you. Tell me what I should do. Forever not long enough when it's just us two. Been stuck on you like it's still the honeymoon. With you by my side, I'll never lose. Just a little bit smitten. Just a little bit smitten. Little bit smitten. Bit smitten. Smitten. I'm just a little bit smitten. Just a little bit smitten. Little bit smitten. Bit smitten. Cause mine's been stuck on you. Tell me what I should do. Forever not long enough when it's just us two. Been stuck on you like it's still the honeymoon. With you by my side, I'll never lose.
Nalaglag, nakakatawa.
I'm working on a plan right now to come through.
Hello.
I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it. All my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down, 'cause nothing feels the same without